guys, welcome to my channel for content creators. Today I will show you best free Halloween effects for your photos and videos. Upload your photo or video to the app YouCam. There are a few Halloween templates for your photos. Since I use free version, app sign is added to my photo. But you can use trial period for 1 week. Now we will go to effects and we'll try it. There are a lot of free effects, but if you see a card sign, it means that it's available only for premium users. But they also have incredible free set of effects for Halloween. Check it out, this set. I'm pretty sure that you find something you like. This is my favorite one, but it's not all effects that they have. There you will also find animated effects for Halloween. There are a few effects for premium only, and also you can find a lot of free effects. And now I will show you how I made photos from my intro. I press background and I'm going to replace it. I like this one. I place overlay photo as I want, and I need to crop the girl. I can do it with only one button to crop person, and I erase that I don't need. And one cool trick for you guys. You can adjust opacity if you want to make a ghost effect. I need to apply gray filter. Now it looks better. And now only one thing that I want to do, to add animation to this photo. I save it to the camera roll and that's it. It can be downloaded as video GIF or posted to social medias. And one thing, you can save photo for free only 3 times per day. Don't go anywhere. I will show you new Halloween filters in the app Prequel. Enjoy, guys! Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. And by the way, check out my tutorials how to create cool Instagram stories. Thank you for watching, guys!